we'll guide you through how to make tunnel effect a light motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight Motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set up your project according to your needs by selecting the project settings you want to use. After finishing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add your footage. Browse through your files, find the footage you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been imported successfully, select the footage layer and press Effect to open the effect options. When the effect menu appears, select Add Effect to access the effect browser. Inside the effect browser, go to the 3D category to view the available three-dimensional effects. Scroll down through the list until you find the tunnel effect inside the 3D menu. Once you locate it, select the tunnel effect and add it to your footage. After the effect has been applied, adjust the effect settings according to your preference until the appearance matches the style you want. To animate the effect, locate the phase option and turn on its keyframe. Add the first keyframe at the beginning of the footage layer to set the starting point of the animation. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and add a second keyframe. Set the value of the second keyframe according to your preference to create the movement of the tunnel effect. After creating the animation, open the scale option within the tunnel effect settings. Increase the scale value until the tunnel expands enough to cover the entire screen. Continue increasing the scale until the tunnel fits the full composition area without leaving empty edges visible. After completing every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a tunnel effect in Alight Motion.